Submerged Arc Welding. Please subscribe Globe Technical channel to get classroom videos of competitive diploma army exam and other technical videos. Come to our exploration of submerged arc welding, a widely used welding technique in industrial applications. In this video, we'll delve into its technical aspects, applications, advantages, and disadvantages. Submerged arc welding, also, is a process in which continuously fed copper-coated, spooled wire electrode is used in conjunction with loose granulated flux-cored of the arc, so as to provide protective media to ward off the atmospheric gases from reacting with the molten metal pool. Here are some key technical data points according to the American Welding Society, AWS. Current typically ranges from 300 to 1500 amperes. Polarity alternating current and direct current. But direct current with electrode positive is preferred. Voltage usually maintained between 26 to 40 volts. Electrode-The electrode is generally a solid and flux with diameter ranging from 2 mm to 10 mm. Conforming to AWS specifications. Advantages of submerged arc welding. 1. High deposition rates. So offers exceptionally high deposition rates, making it suitable for welding thick sections and large structures rapidly. 2. Deep weld penetration. The process provides deep weld penetration, resulting in strong and durable welds, especially in thick materials. 3. High weld quality. Submerged arc welding produces welds with excellent mechanical properties and minimal defects due to the stable arc and effective flux coverage. Despite its advantages, submerged arc welding does have some limitations. First, limited vertical welding capability. So is primarily suited for flat and horizontal welding positions. Vertical welding can be challenging due to the flux's weight and potential slag trapping. Second, specialized equipment requirement. So typically requires heavy and specialized equipment, including flux handling systems and welding tractors, which may increase initial setup costs. Applications of submerged arc welding. First, shipbuilding. So is widely used in shipyards for welding heavy plate sections, hulls, and structural components due to its high deposition rates and excellent weld quality. Second, pressure vessel fabrication. The process is employed in the fabrication of pressure vessels, boilers, and pipelines where high quality welds and high productivity are essential. Third, bridge construction. So is favored in bridge construction for welding large structural components such as girders and trusses efficiently. In conclusion, submerged arc welding offers numerous advantages such as high deposition rates, deep weld penetration, and high weld quality, making it a preferred choice for various industrial applications. However, it's essential to consider its limitations and specialized equipment requirements before implementing the process. Thank you for watching.